Take a picture. Think 5 years ago. Yeah, let's go before 5 years ago. You have a desire to create. You want to create. YouTube's there right in front of you. You can create every day, any day you want. But you say to yourself, I don't have the equipment. I don't have the fancy camera. I never presented myself in front of an audience. I'm so nervous. Oh, what are they going to think? These YouTubers, they know what they're doing. I can't. I mean, it's crazy. Yep. I was just like that too. 5 years ago, when I wanted to start my YouTube channel, I procrastinated. I overthought things or overthinking about everything. Editing, camera. Meanwhile, I had a phone. I had a webcam. I had an internet connection. But I still didn't take action. Look, it really, think of it this way. It was always really a desire for me to create a YouTube channel. Actually, even before YouTube was even thought of, I always wanted to do like talk radio or a talk show or be a motivational speaker. And of course, I didn't know anyone. I never did anything. I didn't know anybody in any radio stations. Forget motivating people. What was I going to motivate about? I was young. I was. I didn't think I had any experience. But 5 years ago, I knew I had experience. I had life experience. And I wanted to reach out to people and teach them or educate them or motivate them about what I've experienced, what I know about. And YouTube was here. But I made a mistake. I didn't press record. It had to be perfect. I had to get a camera. I had to get a microphone. I had to figure it all out. I should have just hit record. Forward 5 years later now, I have an issue of doing exactly what I'm doing now, talking head videos. Presently, I can't do as many talking head videos. And about 2 years ago, it slowed me down. It stopped me from creating because I didn't think or I didn't know you can do more than just talking head videos. What I should have did was what I'm doing now is using my action camera to go out there and vlog. That's what I should have did. Or if I didn't have that, use the phone to vlog. Even this year, I did several videos in my car. Basically, my car was like my studio. Why I wanted to really come here today was because, or come on and upload this video today, was I had a chance to actually do this today because nobody's home. And I'm sure there are a lot of people like me where they just can't get a quiet time to produce their content. And I come here telling you that those 2 or 3 years ago when I stopped recording was a big, major mistake. All I had to do was pick up something, a camera, a phone, a webcam, and produce, hit record. And I didn't really realize this at all. And the funny thing is, now, if you guys are following me now, I've been vlogging more because that was the conflict I was having. I couldn't produce content. I couldn't do these type of videos because these type of videos, to me, at the time, were a lot of work. From 5 years ago, 4 years ago, 3 years ago, editing, thumbnails, a little script. It was kind of time consuming. And that's how I thought you had to be as a YouTube creator. I was completely wrong. I'm now kind of engaging with this small vlogging community. A lot of them new, less than 5,000, 4,000, 3,000, less than 1,000 subscribers. These YouTube creators that vlog. And I never pictured myself vlogging, really. I mean, I knew I could do it, but I never thought I can do it so freely without like an outline or a script. And now, if you guys watch lately, I've been doing a nighttime vlog, and I'm really loving it. So I got a chance to come here today and do a talking head video to tell everyone out there to just get out there and hit record. Press record. Just create. Don't worry about the thumbnails. Don't worry about the editing. It's going to come. It comes back to you. Even my little layoff here on YouTube, I think I'm a better YouTuber. I think I create better thumbnails now. More to the point thumbnails. And I'm enjoying the vlogs. And I am making my uploads consistent, preferably once a week. And that's going to be my goal, at least once a week. And the way I figured out how to do it is by going out there when I can't get here, going out there and vlogging. Just press and record. That's it. And what's the result? I got to tell you, I am enjoying it again. Less pressure. I'm just going out and creating, whether it be here or out vlogging. Less pressure, more enjoyment. It's fun. There's community. There's comments. I'm engaging more. And I think that you'll end up doing that too if you just press record. Guys, go out there. Look, I just came up here uploaded, got a chance to do it in my little room here. No one around. I pressed record. I said, no script. It's all in my head. As you can see, there's plenty of errors. So just hit record. All right, guys? And I'll see you either on the next Talking Head video or the next vlog. Thanks a million.